Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be making a homemade batch of pumpkin spice coffee creamer. This is an easy way to do it, and it's so delicious. On those cold mornings when you're getting ready to have a cup of coffee, now that it's fall, you might like this fall flavor pumpkin spice coffee creamer. It's so simple and easy. I'm going to show you today just what few ingredients it takes to make the homemade pumpkin spice coffee creamer, and you don't have to buy it at the store. Nowadays, those pumpkin spice coffee creamers that you get in the dairy section, they're almost $5. So let's try to make it better and at home cheaper. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll be needing 2 cups of whole milk, a half a cup of heavy cream, pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, salt, 1/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a can of condensed milk. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my 2 cups of milk, the half a cup of heavy cream. And a lot of recipes don't call for the heavy cream, but I'm going to try it just because I like the texture of heavy cream in my coffee. 1 can of the sweetened condensed milk. And this will be your sweetener. If you want it real sweet, you could add a little bit more of like white sugar. But for my coffee, this condensed milk is plenty sweet enough. Okay, and now I'm going to actually have to put this in a bigger container because that's more than what I expected. Okay, I've transferred it to a bigger mason jar so I can add the rest of my ingredients to it. So now we're just going to add our 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. And now we're going to add around a teaspoon of vanilla. A teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. That's around a teaspoon. I'm not measuring it, I'm just eyeballing it. And most recipes for pumpkin pie spice coffee creamer does not call for extra cinnamon, but I like cinnamon, so I'm going to add just a dash more of cinnamon and just a dash of salt. Not much at all, just a little sprinkle. And now we're just going to put the lid on it and give it a good mix. And now we've made us a cup of coffee, and we're going to try out this coffee creamer we made. Now that right there is the perfect cup of fall time coffee, as soon as the leaves start falling, everything's about pumpkin spice. Even in bulldog country. Go dogs. Okay, y'all, there's our video on how to make pumpkin spice homemade coffee creamer. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. It tastes like fall, y'all. Thanks for watching.